Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Discord when it will not open on your computer. First, clear the Discord cache. Open the Start menu, search for Run and type %appdata%. Press Enter. Open the Discord folder. Inside, you will see Cache, Code Cache, and GPU Cache. Delete all three. If you get an error, it means Discord is still running. Close it and try it again. If Discord still does not open, try running it as an administrator. Right-click the Discord shortcut on your desktop, go to Properties, then Compatibility. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations, and also check Run this program as an administrator. Save and try again. If that does not work, scan your system for missing files. Open the Start menu, search CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and run as administrator. Type SFC scan now and press Enter. Let it finish, and then restart your computer. If nothing helps, uninstall Discord completely. Go to the search menu and type Add or Remove Programs, open it, and from there find Discord in the list of apps. Click the three dots at the end of Discord and click Uninstall, and then reinstall the latest version from discord.com. That is it. One of these steps should get Discord running again. If you found this useful, like the video and subscribe for more simple guides. Thanks for watching.